This video is going to show you how to do a 1099 SA form. From the dashboard, we're going to choose the Form button, which will take you to this page. You're going to select the tax year that you need, and then you're going to come down here and click the 1099 SA form. On this form, you're going to select the payer. And if you don't have a payer yet, you can always go to this button, click Add Payer, and it will take you to the payer input screen. Or if you need to edit your information, you can always click the Edit Payer button. That will also take you to the payer input screen to fix your information. Next, we're going to come down here to select a recipient. And if you don't have a recipient, you can always go to the Add Recipient. Or again, if you need to edit any information, you can go to the Edit Recipient button, and that will take you to the recipient input page. And then the only thing you have to do then is fill in the right side of your form with the appropriate information. And once that's complete, you can come down here to Save and Continue. If you're finished with your forms, or if you need to do another 1099 SA, you can always click Save and Add New 1099 SA. Or if you have any other form that you'd wish to file after this, you could click Save and Add New Form. And that's it.